Hello students, welcome back to my video lecture. In the first lecture, in the same diagram, we have drawn different angles with the help of compass. In the second lecture, we are going to draw different angles separately. So let's get started. Firstly, we will draw 60, 90 and 120. So firstly, we will draw a ray. So here OA is a ray. Now on this ray, we are going to draw a semicircle taking almost this radius, taking this as center, and let us draw the semicircle. Keeping the radius same, we will draw arcs. This is the first arc, this is second arc, and this is going to be my third arc. The first arc is going to give you 60 degree, the second arc is going to give you 120 degree, and the last one is going to give you 180 degree, which we have already discussed in the previous video lecture. Now draw the opposite ray. If this is 0 degree, then this is going to be 180 degree. Now, you are firstly interested in getting 60 degree. So, keeping the scale at O and the arc you can join, and this you can get 60 degree. Then you are interested in getting 120 degree. So this is going to be 120. So taking the point O and the arc, let us join, and then this will be giving me 120 degree. Now regarding 90 degree, bisect the angle 60 and 120. Keeping the same radius, you bisect it. Keep the pointer here, draw an arc. Keep the pointer here, draw an arc. And then draw a line joining O and the intersection of the arc. This is going to give me 90 degree. Here we are going to draw 75 degree and 90 degree with the help of compass. The ray is already drawn, semicircle is already drawn, and the arc of 60 degree and 120 degree is already drawn, which we have already done in the previous lecture. Now, first we will try to draw 90 degree. So taking this 60 degree arc and 120 degree arc, directly we will draw the bisector. In this diagram, remember, we are not drawing 60 degree line, we are not drawing 120 degree line. We are directly using the arc of 60 degree and cutting an arc, and then again with the help of 120 degree arc we are drawing the second arc and they intersect here. And this is your -90 degree. Now you want to draw 75 degree. So this 60 degree arc and this 90 degree arc will help me to draw 75 degree. So cut an arc here and again at 90 degree also you can take and cut an arc here. So this is your 75 degree. Here we are going to draw 45 degree and 90 degree. Already the line is drawn, semicircle is drawn, 60 degree arc and 120 degree arc is already drawn, which we have seen in the previous diagram. Now first we will draw 90 degree. So keep the pointer at 60 degree and then the pointer at 120 degree arc. The intersection of this arc and point O, if we draw a line, we will get 90 degree. Now OA can be considered as 0 degree. Let us bisect angle between 0 and 90 degree. When we bisect the angle between 0 and 90, we will get 45 degree. So keep the arc here, draw an arc, again keep the arc here and draw an arc. Point O and the intersection of these two arcs, if draw a line, we will get 45 degree. So this is your 45 degree and this red line which we have drawn is our 90 degree. Again I would repeat, keep on practicing and definitely you will be able to get better results. Thank you for watching my video lecture.